Hey guys, what's up? So I've been researching crypto trading bots for like 3 years at this point, diving into white papers and checking out user reviews on different platforms. And guys, it's been a rough journey. The amount of scam content floating around is honestly mind-blowing. Everywhere you look, there's someone promoting platforms with fake profits. And yeah, I got caught by some of this when I first started. Tried maybe 6 different apps total and threw away cash, got really jaded. Basically assumed every trading agent platform was designed specifically to scam people. But then about 10 months back, I came across TradeSmart, and it's honestly been the only one that's actually legitimate and hasn't done anything suspicious. So I'm showing you exactly how I use it, because if you've been scammed and you're done trusting anything, I was there too, and this might actually be the real deal. Alright, so first thing I need to do is pick my preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive options, and this determines how the bot trades, my risk level, profit targets, and capital requirements. Just pick whatever feels right for you. Okay, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI model's running everything, and from my experience, auto-select is hands down the smartest option. It picks the best one consistently, and I've legitimately never had to change it manually. Good, next up is investment amount, just whatever you're comfortable with for the session. Right, then comes network selection, depends on traffic and what the fees are looking like. So I go with whichever has lower costs or just stick with auto select. And last step is click Start AI, which launches everything. Now I'm basically just monitoring, so I'm going to speed through this section for you guys.
And nice, so several minutes went by and I've stopped the bot, and here's the full picture. My total balance, profits earned, trades executed, win rate percentage, and session time. There's also this console displaying every action the bot took during that run. So yeah, this should prove how solid and trustworthy this tech is, especially at this moment. So now I just gotta select the currency, enter my address. 1 second. Okay, now I'm clicking Confirm Withdrawal. All right, processing, and awesome, token sent to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to show up in my balance, let me tell you about my real experience and why this is genuinely the only platform I'd recommend. So the biggest lesson I learned from getting scammed multiple times is that platforms don't create artificial barriers. Every scam I dealt with had this pattern where they'd make it super easy to deposit but almost impossible to withdraw. One platform required me to complete trading volume quotas before I could take my money out, which was never mentioned in their terms. Another kept saying I needed to verify more documents every time I requested a withdrawal. That's classic scam behavior. But with TradeSmart, I've withdrawn probably 30 times over 10 months, and it's been smooth every single time. No quotas, no surprise requirements, just click confirm and the funds arrive. That consistency is how you know it's real. And here's something that really stood out to me. The platform performs the same whether the market's up or down. Scam platforms only show good results during bull markets because they're not actually trading. They're just riding market momentum and showing you fake gains. I've used this through crashes, recoveries, sideways markets, all conditions, and it keeps performing reliably. That tells you the AI is actually functioning and adapting, not just showing manufactured numbers. So if you're done with all the fake platforms out there and you want something that's actually legitimate and won't play games with your tokens, I was exactly where you are 10 months ago. TradeSmart link is in the description, and I'll have it pinned in the comments for easy access. Thanks for watching.